Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your iPhone 16 Pro Max and opening Settings, then tap Wallpaper to view current lock and home screens. You need a target, either a plain photo in Photos or pick one of Apple's stills. This is how you effectively remove a customized wallpaper. Once done, tap the current wallpaper preview to edit. Make sure live photo and motion options are off. Those keep animated images active. Turning them off simplifies replacing the image immediately. You now perform the replacement. Tap Add New or select the wallpaper preview and choose a still image from Photos. When the image appears, pinch to scale or move it so no unwanted elements show. Disable perspective zoom to avoid parallax. If you want a neutral background, pick a plain black or white photo or use Apple stills. Then tap Done and choose Apply to lock screen, home screen, or both. This action effectively removes the old wallpaper and sets the new, neutral background. You finish by locking the phone and visually confirming both lock and home screens show the new image. If the change does not stick, restart the iPhone. Press volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This often resolves temporary glitches. Make sure iOS is up to date. Updates fix wallpaper bugs. As a last resort, reset only the home screen layout in Settings right arrow General right arrow Transfer or Reset, because that preserves data while restoring.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.